Hello friends, in this video I will talk about modifying of a vector. How we can modify any vector. That means if there are certain elements stored in vector, so can we modify the elements of vector? So yes, we can do that in R. So say for example, firstly we are creating any vector. I am creating a vector n using the C function. I am keeping certain elements inside the n vector. So I have kept here total 5 elements. Now I am pressing Ctrl Enter. It is executed in R. So now for example, I want to replace third element of n, or I want to modify third element of n. So what I need to do, I need to use the name of my vector. I need to give the indexing of the elements, and then at that position I need to assign the value which I want to keep there. So for example, at the third position I want to keep 45 instead of 18. So now I'm pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see it is executed in R. Now when I'll print my vector n, so you can see in the output now in place of 18, 45 is stored. So friends, this way modifying of a vector is possible. It is not like for numeric vector we can do this process. For character vectors also we can perform such things. For example, I have created a character vector m. Inside it, I have kept 3 elements. I am pressing Ctrl Enter to execute this vector in the R environment. Now I want to replace the first element, my character vector. So for the purpose, I need to use the name of my vector. I need to give the indexing of the elements, and then I need to pass the name which I want to keep at the first place. So now I am pressing Ctrl Enter, and when I will print m, so you can see the modification would be done in the vector m. So friends, this way modification is possible of the elements of any vector by using the indexing of the elements. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. Stay connected for more such videos in R. Thank you.